goodness, tangy. Hello everyone, this is Katie here from Sea Smoke, and today we're going to make a keto friendly dish. We're going to make a white bean salad today. So I have 1 can of white cannelloni beans we're going to put in. I have a jar of chopped up artichoke hearts here. So we're going to add those to our beans. I have some chopped mushrooms here. If you don't want mushrooms in yours, then you can just not add those in there. Alright, I have 1 stalk of celery. Well, a little stalk of celery anyway. I have some chopped shallots here I did. I'm going to add those. I'm going to take and use about maybe a half a teaspoon of garlic or just a little bit. You put in as much as you like, or if you don't want any, then don't put any in at all. So I'm just going to put a little bit in there that I like of it. And we also made dressing a few minutes ago that we're going to add to it. But I'm going to reinforce some of the items that I put in my dressing. I'm going to add a little bit more to my salad, which was a little bit of red chili flakes, not too much. That way it's not too spicy, because I don't want it too spicy. And then I have some dry herbs I'm going to add. So if you want to add dry ones, you do. If not, then don't add any. Or you can add some fresh ones if you like into your salad. That's just up to you. Because like I said, I did already add some to my salad dressing too, but I'm just going to add a little bit more. Okay, and here's my salad dressing we made earlier with the olive oil and everything. And I'll be sure to put in the description everything I put in the salad dressing and in the white bean salad. So I'm going to pour my dressing in here. And I'm going to toss everything of my salad together in there. Alright, and I'm going to set this in the refrigerator for a little while and let it marinate together. And that's all that's to our white bean salad. I added chicken into my white bean salad, and you can add chicken, tuna, bacon, anything you would like into it just to pizzazz up your salad. I hope you enjoy. See y'all next time, and enjoy cooking.